Sija sama bani nyina say former Attorney General Godfred has asked President Mahama to stop consulting the Council of State over the possible removal of Chief Justice Gertrude Torkornoo. This call follows a court case that is yet to be settled. The case was filed by Vincent Eko Asifua, Member of Parliament for Old Tafo. You see, Godfred Dame, Attorney General, the criminal Attorney General. Or see, John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, he should stop consulting with the Council of State. Onjai, because omwati wonfremu say or consult the Council of State. No ma pamo omo mame or sono mame Chief Justice Torkornoo. And the question I keep asking, Madam Torkornoo, are you a Ghanaian? Mr. P, Mr. S, get me her definition of who is a Ghanaian. If you don't know whether you are a Ghanaian or not, why do you want to lead Ghana's Supreme Court? Because Madam Torkornoo, the Chief Justice, Madam Torkornoo, cannot even tell me, Ekobedu, whether she's Ghanaian or not. On to me, Chirame, explicitly. On to me, kind of straightforward. On to me, mame, direct definition who a Ghanaian is. So why should any Ghanaian allow Madam Torkornoo to sit at the Supreme Court as the Chief Justice? No hard feelings. I have nothing personal against her. What we are seeing and hearing, it's purely based on her conduct as the Chief Justice of Ghana. That's all. The petition we are hearing that the president has received and forwarded to the Council of State. In fact, the Chief Justice has received the petition and responded, meaning she has seen the allegations in there, meaning she has an idea, meaning she knows that some facts has been put before her for her to answer. And we all know now that Chief Justice Torkornoo asked for 7 days, but the president being a good man, President Oya Obia Obumra Edimra Sunti, or say, Madam Torkornoo, take 10 days. Ebin si wo wiase da. Se Obia Momonamo Ekase, or no one person or Madam Torkornoo no. Madam Torkornoo per 7 days pay a ready petition or say no. I want to give you the benefit of the doubt. I want to give you the room to also basically defend yourself. I am adding 3 more days. Ekufuado kwasi ampenyi obeti my side way. Onye da. Ekufuado is it's vindictive. See the way Ekufuado treated Charlotte Osei. One man is space to even speak. Say Torkornoo at the end of the day, someone to be establishing BB against you know. Now say or losing his seat as the CJ of Ghana. Blame Afenyo Markin. And people will understand what I'm saying. Say a Pamu Chief Justice. Because petitioner Ewohono say at the end of the day, I'm to be establishing BBA against the Chief Justice. Blame no one than Afenyo Markin. Because you see, the Chief Justice allowed her friendship, her deep family friendship with Afenyo Markin to clout her judgment. Anytime I catch you say, what is the Chief Justice? For now, nobody can say or guilty or not guilty about the allegations. But say Council of State for share. Now say to me back to that point. Now because the Chief Justice at the end of the day, what they have seen, there's something that should kick you out of officer. Blemu Obia, blemu Afenyo Markin. He played a big role in the exit of Chief Justice Torkornoo. Chief Justice, are you a Ghanaian?
My second question is about another public interest. Recently, there has been a ruling by the court, and on the 17th of July 2020, My Joy Online reported, and he was quoting our colleague, the deputy minister at the time of justice, as saying that, for instance, birth certificates are not a proof of nationality. And this is a comment he made in relation to a ruling from the Supreme Court. When I take the form you fill to get a birth certificate, for instance, they call it a birth registration form, Form A. B, a portion called B, particulars of mother. Under that, 9, it states a national of. So the mother has to state whether he's a Ghanaian or she's a Ghanaian or not. And then when you come to C, under that, 16, also the father, you have to state the national of the father. When you come to the certificate that is issued to the person, it is quite clearly written the nationality of the person, because the person has ticked the 2 boxes. The mother or the father is a Ghanaian. Therefore, he or she qualified to be a Ghanaian. So if today, the ruling, according to our colleague, is that a birth certificate is just a mere record of birth, what then is a proof of nationality in this country? And I will be very happy, because I see in front of me probably the most senior people in the judiciary in this country. And I think Ghanaians who are ordinary like me may want to know, if I hold my Ghanaian passport, is it a proof of my nationality? Is my birth certificate a proof of my nationality? So I want to understand the understanding of that ruling, why it is as if a birth certificate is not a proof of nationality. Meanwhile, on the form, you will have to certify clearly that you are a national before you are given a certificate as a national of this country.
Honorable Member, Honorable Chair, citizenship is a matter of law. Nationality is a matter of law. Certain jurisdictions, being born in that place makes you a citizen of that country. In our country, being born in Ghana doesn't make you a citizen of Ghana. It is your relationship with your mother. It is your mother's identity, your father's identity. It is your lineage that determines your citizenship. So, that form records, that form is actually an international requirement. We must know where everybody is born. That form assists to know your antecedents. But beyond that, your nationality is derived from the information on that form. It is not the evidence of your nationality. It is the beginning of appreciating how your nationality must be determined.
Madam Torkornoo, you were playing with words. You could not answer the question. So you yourself, you know you are not a Ghanaian. You can't even tell me whether you're a Ghanaian or not. Citizenship is not a matter of law. It is not a matter of lineage. It is not a matter of context. You know you were lying, madam. You were just using words anyhow. You know that all the things we were saying, you see, these are the things you people do. Your own colleagues sitting behind you, they were laughing at you. And then your boy was laughing, and the other ones, the chose, they were laughing at you.